Hey guys, welcome back to another one with Flutter Yo. We are fishing from shore today. We got like 25, 30 mile an hour winds today with wind gusts. We're supposed to get some severe storms tonight. So I figured I'd try and get out here and see what I can do. I just did spend like a couple hours going to a different spot that turns out it's recreational pass only, so I kind of can't fish out there anymore until I get a recreational pass. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we can get some fish. When the wind's whipping, get out fishing, right? So that's what I am doing today, dudes. Get off my face, bug. Dang it. It's an off day again. I don't know why I keep having them, but I do. And I'm getting real tired of it, so it's very frustrating to have like these off days. And with fibromyalgia, you get like the fibro fog and everything, and menopause don't help either, but whatever. But okay guys, at least it is not too windy over here, so we're gonna give it a shot, see what I can do, and get going. Going, dudes! Got one. I don't know what it is. But it was fast. Come here, buddy. Where are you? Ooh, look at Fan. Told you. When the wind's whipping, get out fishing, dudes. Whoop, whoop. Hold on a minute. I was not expecting that. Pan. He's a nice one. Oh, you got pink on you. Beautiful. Wait. Come here. See you later, buddy. Probably should have kept them. But I don't know how they're going to bite today, so. Okay. I'm going to get back out there. This one came in fast, dudes. Pan. He's very, like, pale, kind of. But Pan, that's two. Pretty slow. Let go. Whoop, whoop. See you later, buddy. Man, I had like a really good bite not long ago, and it was quick. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get back out there after I untangle myself and see what else I can get, guys. Man, it is really windy today. Really windy. But we're fishing. Whoop whoop. Oh my gosh. Perch. Oh, he's speckled. Oh, buddy. No, don't do it. I'm trying to show you. Look at all the speckles on it. Well, now you're dirty. See you later, buddy. Dang it. Now I'm dirty. Well, pans and perch, dudes. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. The bites are like 5 to 20 minutes in between, yo. It's pretty bad today. But this makes those bites a lot more fun, you know what I mean? Because you're waiting, and it builds up inside of you. And then when it finally hits, it's like, okay, it's on now. Whether it's a small one or not, you know what I mean? Okay, well, I'm back out there. I'm gonna wait for my next bite, and we'll go from there. Okay, dudes. Time to double pole it. We're double poling it. Cast my bobber out this way, and I'm casting the lure next to shore, and we're gonna see what I can do because they're not biting. Wait, are you biting? You're biting. Way out there? They're not biting very good. Eat it. It is slow. Real slow today. Gotta be the weather. Get out of there then. Come on. Get mad. But, oh. I don't know if you can see it. Wait. There's a tree in the way. You see it? I don't think you could see that. The tree's in the way. Dang it. Well, it's gone anyways. Rough day, dudes. Rough day, but it is nice to be out here. I will say that. It is nice. Might have to add another layer though. Getting kind of chilly. Sun's gone. Clouds are in. And they are moving. I wonder if I could show you that. Hold on a minute. Pretty. Very pretty. Clouds are moving pretty good up there. It's having a hard time focusing though. I see. They're rolling in, dudes. Might as well scan it since it's so slow fishing. As long as it doesn't start raining yet. Kind of weird out here today, weather-wise. My little fishing spot, dudes. That's as far as I could turn you. I don't want to go too fast, so. Doing a scan, man. Yep. I've been double pulling it. I've had the bobber in, and when I was casting the lure, I got a bite and missed it, of course. It was swimming with it though, so I don't know how I missed it. Thought it swallowed the hook, but it did not. So I'm gonna continue doing that. Might as well. Since it's slow, it'll be a little easier, I would think. So I'm gonna give that a shot, guys. See what we can do. Dudes. Come on. Perch. Come on. I don't even know how I caught you. How did I even catch you? Look how tiny. Wait, buddy, wait. You shoot! Every time you picked me. Look how tiny. See you later. Quit biting my worm. Where's your mom or dad or uncle? Something. Getting mad. Pot liquor. Yep. Surprised the tree branch hasn't gotten me yet. Come on. Now I'm all wrapped up. There we go. Woohoo! I'm the only one fishing. Go figure. Just a little wind. Oh crap, I didn't want to go over there. Well, we'll see if there's anything over there now. I don't know. Doubt it. I doubt it. Oh, maybe. You need to eat it. Come on. Let's go. pot liquor, y'all. Come on. Well, that was short-lived. Dang it. Those trees are pretty. I like them. I wish the colors were more vibrant, though. The weather just didn't add up. I don't know if I said that or not, because I made a different video earlier, and I probably won't upload that, so it was pretty bad. Probably the worst video I've ever made in my life. So probably not. I'm not gonna upload that. But dudes, I'm gonna get back to casting my lure, and hopefully they're in here. I'm not leaving yet, so I'm not leaving till dark probably. So I'm gonna get at it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Finally got one. Come here, buddy. You're well earned. I've been sitting here waiting. Come here, what are you? Get up here. Yay. Pan Pan. That's a pretty good one. That would have been a keeper too. I found them, dudes, finally. Right when I need to leave. Pan Pan. See you later, buddy. Whoop whoop. It is cold, and then all of a sudden the wind changed and it got warm, and then just weird. Hopefully we don't get no tornadoes. We're supposed to get some nasty weather, and I can feel it in my bones, guys. It ain't gonna be good, I don't think, with the way the wind has been today. Not good at all. What was that? Is that me or a fish? A fish. We'll eat it. Don't play with it. Come on. It's been so slow. Like ridiculously slow. I've been casting the lure. Nothing. Get out of it then. And I can see fish jumping out there. They're not big or nothing, but I don't know, dudes. It's the way fishing is. You take what you can get, right? So that's what I'm doing. Taking what I can get. It is nasty weather, but whatever. I've had an adventure today. That's for sure. So, this video will probably be a little shorter than normal. It's usually up and down, you know, with fishing. Man, I'm hoping these branches up above me don't break off and get me. I'm right below like this huge branch, and it doesn't look very alive. So, well, eat it. The pot liquor, eat it. Anyways, it's getting darker. It looks a lot lighter on camera than it is. So, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Get out of there. But, okay guys, I'm going to keep trying for a while, see what I can do. Now the wind's back to cold again. Weird. So weird. Okay, I'm going to get back at it. Pan Pan! Pan Pan! Woohoo! Just a minute, buddy. Woohoo! See you later, alligator. Well, I still have worms, so I'm going to cast it back out. And hope that I catch one soon, because it is getting dark out here. And you can't really tell on camera, but it is. So, I'm going to get back out there. Well, guys, I gave it everything that I had, and at least I'm not skunked. I did get some panfish, 1 perch, so that makes me happy that I wasn't skunked today. So kind of a very slow day for fishing, and I got out here late because of going out to that other spot that I can't fish at. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to get out in the kayak soon. It's still gonna be pretty windy for a while, for a few days, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get up salmon fishing or not. It all depends on the weather, if they're biting, because my parents are up there now and they're fishing for them too. So kind of waiting to hear from them and see how it goes. So guys, I guess I'm gonna get going. Just been one of them off days. Sometimes when you make videos, it's like you don't know what to say. It just doesn't come out right or whatever. So today's one of them days and I can't help it. So I thank you for watching again. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. If you put the notification bell to all, that'll let you know when I post another video. And hope to get out tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but we'll have to see how the weather is. It's gonna be, I think, in the 50s tomorrow and very windy, so I'm not quite sure what I'm doing yet. I might wait until Monday. I don't know what I'm doing. If I go salmon fishing, then I won't be kayaking because I'll be out of town, and I'm not kayaking in Lake Superior right now. No way. It's very deep in there and freaky, so it's windy and cold, so I'm not doing it. But I don't know, dudes. Kind of play it by ear, I guess, and go from there. I hope to get back out in the kayak. I keep saying and it's driving me crazy. But I guess I'll just get going for now. Like I said, it's just been one of them off days, and I'm just going to end the video. The first one was horrible, so I'm going to try to not make this one just as bad. So thank you so much for watching. Flutter out, yo.